Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make wheat paniyaram. This is a very unique and quick breakfast recipe. Very healthy, easy and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 2 cups of dosa batter in a bowl. You can use regular ones that we use at home to make dosa. I've already made a video on how to make dosa batter. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. To this, add a tablespoon of wheat flour, a tablespoon of Rava or semolina, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped, few coriander leaves chopped and quarter teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to the amount of salt you have in your dosa batter. Mix all the ingredients well. Now all the ingredients are well mixed. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, season it with mustard seeds, Urad Dhal and Chana Dhal. Mix it well. Now our wheat paniyaram batter is ready. Let's see how to make the paniyaram. Heat a cast iron paniyaram pan. To this, add a teaspoon of oil in each segment. When the oil is hot, add 1 scoop of the batter in each segment. Let this cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 2 more minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, both sides are well cooked and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now our delicious wheat paniyaram is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a bowl of chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick breakfast recipe. So do try this wheat paniyaram recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.